Let's fix these hashtag NA errors. NA literally stands for not available. So in our first example here, we see that we have P105, but it's actually not in our product price table here. So that's why it's populating in NA. So you could do two things. One, you could go ahead and add your P105 into your product table with its unit price, or you could just wait until you actually have that data, and then your VLOOKUP should populate correctly. Now for our second one, we see that we have P103 here in this table, and then also in our product unit price table. But the issue is that P103, if you can see, has a space here. So when we remove that space, our VLOOKUP populates correctly. Another thing we can do in our VLOOKUP is we can use the trim function, and what this will do is it will remove the trailing and leading spaces, so when you go to VLOOKUP, it'll be correct. Our final one is a data mismatch. We see that in this first cell we have a number 104, but in our product unit price table we have 104, but it's stored as a text. So go ahead and convert this to a number, and then your VLOOKUP should return the correct price here. So the final thing to do is, say for example this P105, we still have an NA. If we want to get rid of these NAs, we can type if error. So this is saying, okay, if there's an NA error, what do we want to return? So you could leave it as a blank like this, or you could say something like not found, which will make it easier for sorting later on.